This is Craig with Garshalton Advisory, and welcome to 2 Minutes to Master, a video series where I'll demonstrate a Microsoft Office technique in 2 minutes or less. So get out your stopwatch and let's get started. In this video, we're going to learn Excel's mod function. Let's take a look at its syntax. In this case, when we use the mod function, Excel requires both a number and a divisor from us. What this means is effectively that we need to provide a numerator as well as a denominator in a fraction. Now you can think of this if it makes it easier. What it's going to do is it's going to provide us as a result the remainder that's left after our number is divided by our divisor. Let's take a look at an example. I've created a numeric series across the top, just increasing by 1, and I've entered this formula into cell C2. So in this case, what's happening is Excel is evaluating C1 as using it as a number and then dividing it by our divisor of 4. 4 goes into 1 0 times with a remainder of 1. Let's extend this formula over. In this case, Excel is looking at D1 and dividing it by 4, which goes in 0 times with a remainder of 2. As you'll notice, there is a pattern here, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, as these are the remainders left over after dividing by 4. Let's use that pattern to our advantage here in a real-life example. In this case, I've changed my counter to represent months, and I want to trigger an expense that occurs in a regular pattern, in this case 4 months. I've created an expense amount of 400. So now, every 4th month, my model has a $400 expense triggered. Let's change that to 6 months and see what happens. Now our divisor happens every 6 months, goes to 0, and our expense is triggered. I hope this has helped you with Excel's mod function, and I'm sure you can see a way you can use it in your regular work routines. Thanks for watching.